Welcome to JSJ Goat Farm. Here in our videos, we will show you how we do things in the farm and keep you updated with the latest technologies we are using. Hello! Today I will show you the newest design of our goat house. We use swamp to go up inside the goat house. Before we enter, we have a footbath in place. We used a very efficient and simple lock mechanism to open and close the door of the goat house. We use stainless material for our feeders. Majority of our food for our goat and sheep, such as corn, silage, and napiers, are already chopped, so that is why we chose to use this type of feeder. But if majority of your food are not chopped, the next pictures might be the best option for your feeder. This is how it looks like when you're inside the pens. One important factor in the goat house is the ventilation. This will help a lot in lowering the temperature inside your goat house, thus making your goats feel more comfortable. Having this ventilation helps eliminate heat stress to your goats and sheep. This is how it looks like outside. Here you can see how our sheep are eating comfortably. This is the latest addition to our goat and sheep houses, a stainless drinker. This drinker has an opening on both sides that gives you an option to where you are going to attach your water system. There you see its floater that helps regulate the water level you needed. Here you can see how we attach the stainless drinker to our water station. As you can see, the little lamp can easily access the water. This is how you change the water if it gets dirty. Just simply pull it up and flip the drinker. Then the drinker will be refilled slowly with water. Our pen size is around 4.25 meters by 4 meters. This is our pen size for our male goat. It has a size of 4 feet by 8 feet. It also has its own separate drinker. Since we are doing zero grazing, we provide them with a salt block that they can access anytime. We also provide them with mineral blocks. This is how we hang them. Now we go under the goat house. My grandfather is kind enough to assist me to show you the vertical clearance that we use in designing our goat houses. The clearance from the ground is 6 feet and the height of my grandfather is a little over 5 feet. Another very important aspect of our goat house is the curtain. Here in the Philippines, we get around 5 months of rainy season. We are happy to share to you how we adopted the design of this mechanism for our curtain and adjusted it to fit our needs. This curtain helps protect our animals from winds that have strong winds, especially during tropical storms, which we encounter a lot. This is how we design our goat and sheep houses that are ideal for tropical countries. We hope it will encourage you to innovate your own design for your farms.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please do us a favor and like and subscribe this video.